home efficiency swaps that will actually save you money. Home energy efficiency is not only good for the environment, but also helps you to save money. Firstly, opt for low-flow water fixtures, such as toilets, shower heads, and water faucets. An average toilet uses 3.5 gallons per flush, while a low-flow toilet uses 1.6 gallons per flush, making it super energy efficient. Replace incandescent light bulbs to Cfls and LEDs, which require less wattage and are more durable than incandescent light bulbs. Upgrading your AC thermostats to a smart thermostat can quickly save you money because it can automatically learn your behavior and allow you to remotely control your temperature. If you are making a new purchase, look for Energy Star labeled products, as it is the government's symbol of energy efficiency, and save up to 30% on related electricity bills. Air filters need to be replaced frequently to ensure AC units' maximum efficiency. If you have allergies or pets, you should change it once a month. Water heaters are the most energy-consuming appliances at home. Install a tankless water heater so energy is not wasted from standby energy. Visit elahomerepairs.org for more details or contact 800-368-PROS for a free referral.